Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your public transportation plans with Uber, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are signed in to your account. Tap on the Go or Where to We field at the top of the screen. Enter your desired pickup location in the first field. Input your destination in the second field. Choose the type of ride you prefer by swiping through the available options. Tap the Confirm button to set your ride request. If you want to change your plans, tap the Cancel button on the ride request screen. Confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure you do not get charged. Return to the main screen of the Uber app. Repeat the process of entering a new pickup and destination, if needed. Review the new ride options presented to you. Select a different type of ride if your needs have changed. Confirm your new ride request by tapping the Confirm button once again. Check the estimated time of arrival for your driver. Keep an eye on the map to track your ride's progress. Prepare for your new ride as it approaches. Enjoy your trip with Uber, ensuring a smooth public transportation experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.